I'm currently flushing the twin DOS. Oh no, the twin DOS, the AutoDos. And what I'm doing is I've taken all the liquid out of it and I've put the rest of it into this. I've washed it out and I've put it in here. And what I'm going to do is I've put just normal cold water, the same water that the machine fills with and everything. The same water, I've just put some in there and I'm going to flush it. And I put 100 ml with very heavily soiling. And it's taking that water through the pipe. It doesn't really matter about the powder because it goes straight down into the chamber, but it has a hose that goes into the chamber. So we're flushing that hose with the normal water. We're doing the same thing that we would do to maintain the twin DOS there. And we need to do it because you can see, look, all that liquid that's still in there. Look, you can see that's normal water in there. You can see all that suds. See what I mean? That's in that hose in there. And it needs to be flushed. Otherwise, if we leave it, because I don't want to use liquid in it anymore. If I don't, then the machine is just gonna, that hose will just congeal and I'll never be able to use liquid in it ever again. If I want to, I doubt it very much, but it's always good to, and every now and then, every month, I'm gonna put water through it to just make sure that, it's getting flushed. Look at all that water in there, guys. Look at all that. That's all from there. So I'm gonna do this a few times and flush it. So I'm cancelling it now. And I'm going to do this a few times and flush it. So I'll catch you guys soon when I'm done.